16 degrees. It could well be the area around Rhyl in the highest temperatures of all. Now, most places did stay dry, albeit rather cloudy, but there's been some rain across Northern Ireland and southeastern parts of Scotland. In the past hour or so, we've seen that rain band getting its act together, and some heavier rain now is sweeping in across the Irish Sea through the Isle of Man. And the reason for the rain is that cold front, which will edge further south tonight before developing and moving north again during Thursday. So we can pick it up, we can see that rain becoming more persistent across northern England and Wales as we go through this evening and overnight. Many northern parts becoming fine and clear, but there'll be a few showers left across the far northwest there in the islands. And down in the south, the odd pocket of drizzle can't be ruled out anywhere really, and it will be a pretty misty and murky night, especially on all the higher ground. Now, in the clearer skies of Scotland and Northern Ireland, certainly a widespread ground frost is on the cards. There'll be a touch of air frost too, I would think, in the glens tonight. But in the south, a very mild night at, 8 to 10 degrees, something of that order. Now, there's that low pressure beginning to buckle and move north again during Thursday, so the rain pushing north eventually. But for much of England and Wales, a gloomy start, outbreaks of rain about, the more persistent wet weather and the gloomy weather across Wales and much of northern England. Down in the south, just the odd patch of drizzle once again. Scotland and Northern Ireland, a much more cheerful scene, a scattering of showers, but you will find through the afternoon that rain band begins to push north again, up through southeastern Scotland, up through Fife, perhaps as far as Aberdeen by the end of the afternoon. Just a few showers left in the west, the odd shower getting into Northern Ireland too for the second half of the day. Now, as the rain band pushes north, so this southeastern corner may well brighten up, though I think sunshine is going to be pretty limited. Well, temperatures around about 12 to 14 degrees across England and Wales, despite that rain, a very mild day. Further north, nearer to 10 across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now, for the end of the week and into the weekend as well, will be dominated by that area of low pressure. It really won't be moving anywhere, and all the time we'll see little wriggles developing along it from the south, bringing pulses of fairly heavy rain across many parts of the country. So Friday is fairly typical of the sort of thing we're going to see into the weekend, with showers or longer spells of rain, perhaps a burst of heavier rain coming up through England